one thing about me, I listen to the people. So yes, I had a great response on that second land contract video that I did. So here we are. I have updated my creative real estate course, and I've added the land contract addendum just for you. Just for you. That's right, you. So check this out. This is what you can expect, right? So before we even get there, though, I just want to tell people how they can own a home without a mortgage, right? That's what land contract is. That's the beauty about land contract. So real quick though, before I show you the forms and what I've added to the real estate course that I have, I want to just tell buyers how you can own a home without a mortgage, and that is through the beauty called the real estate strategy called land contract. All right, land contract is basically seller financing. It's when you go to a homeowner directly and you negotiate your own terms, or you could even use a realtor, because there are some land contracts that are on the market with real estate agents. So, but basically with land contract, you are responsible for taxes. You are responsible for your own water, and you would put a down payment on the house. It could be $5,000. It could be $25,000. It all depends on what you negotiate with the seller. And you make your payments monthly to the seller, similar to rent to own. But here's the difference. Every single payment that you're making each month, a portion goes toward you buying that house, and the down payment goes toward you buying the house. So, when you are renting a house and you put in the first month's rent and security deposit, when you move out, you get nothing back. Okay, but with a land contract, you could buy a home on land contract today, and then say you move out of town for a new job in 2 years, you can sell that house and you become the owner, and you could earn profits from $10,000 to $100,000. It just depends on what the market is doing, right? So back to what I was saying originally. I just added a form to a land contract addendum to my real estate course. And what this form covers is you would include the name, your name, you would include your property address, you would include the land contract principal and interest payment, right? It's just like a mortgage. Like I said, it's just like a mortgage. Okay, so you can read all of this information, once you get inside of the course, but let me just show you what the course looks like really quick. So I created this course I just put this course on sale too for you. But I created this course probably about 2 years ago. But, and I hadn't even talked about it in a while, but it's packed with so much information. I had to just bring it back to show you all. But here's the course contents right here. So when you get this course, it's on sale right now, y'all, for $20, I believe. It's either going to be $20 or $49. It's because periodically I will do a sale and get $20 off, but all of this let's just say it's $49. All of this information, you get a business checklist, you get the course slides, you get a purchase agreement, okay? You get scripts for investing with no money. You get a short-term rental checklist, meaning like if you wanted to do an Airbnb business. This course right here too is called Real Estate Investing in Business. So I tell you how to start a real estate business, but it's good for anyone who just wants to buy a home the creative way, okay? Not the traditional way. So then here's the masterclass replay right here. It was a live class. You get to hear questions that the students asked, and my classes be lit, y'all. My classes do not be boring and dry. Okay, so it's worth it. And right here is the new form that I just added, the land contract addendum, because I noticed that every time I do a land contract video, I get a huge response from everybody. So I just want to make sure that you have everything you need and that you have everything that you're interested in. I listen to the people. So thanks for watching this video. Let me show you how you can order it too. Actually, I didn't show you that before either. So let's just assume you are watching my most recent land contract video on YouTube. So say you're watching that. What you want to do is look on the bottom of the video. It'll have some resources there, and there'll be a button that says show more. So right here it says real estate investing masterclass. And let's see, it says real estate investing masterclass. I got a couple classes. I wrote a blog article too, but yeah, so you simply click on the link and it takes you, we got a sale going on right now, $19 for all of that stuff I just showed you. $19 for the real estate investing and business course. We cover land contracts subject to real estate investing. We even cover bank statement loans and wholesaling. Okay, so right here it says how to start a creative real estate investing business. Okay, it's real estate investing secrets to make 10K a month, how to start a real estate business, how to find discount properties, how to buy with other people's money. That's right here, buying with other people's money, and so much more. So much more. What are people saying? We got some tips from the students in the class, and it was just an awesome class. It was truly an awesome class. Let's take a look here at something though. Let's take a look at one of the other. Let's take a quick look at the course slides if we can. I hope I can pull this up. I gotta download it real quick. I just want to give you a sneak peek inside of the actual class. This was actually one of the first classes I did when I started doing digital products. So it's kind of cool. Let's see here. It's getting started. I tell you how to start an LLC. I show you how to file it. I show you how to get an EIN, business checking account, how to market your business online and offline. It's just so packed. It's packed with information. So as you can see, you get 7 or 8 files included, and right now it's $20. And but you can be a real estate investor buying multiple houses, building a portfolio by using that land contract addendum, or you can buy your first home. So that is it. If you learned anything in this video, be sure to leave me a comment below, because it really helps the channel. It really helps me to keep going and keep dishing out all this valuable information that I've learned in the past 20 years in the real estate business. I done got my butt whooped in real estate, and I've made some money and bought some houses and lost some houses. All of that stuff, I've done it. So I thank you for taking the time and watching this video. I'm Catina Willis. Be sure to like the video. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you are ready to get started buying some houses, starting your investment journey, or buying your first home, be sure to grab that real estate package, right? Which includes the course and the forms. Grab it before that sale is over. So thanks for watching this video. See you at the top. Take care.